What up, what up, what up? Jack Kolesnikov. What up?
What's up?
Uh-huh. Pancake Master. I'll turn that surface, whatever, like, yeah. So what's the deal, my man? Oh, you probably put thing and told about the
I'm making pancakes right now.
Ingredients, yeah.
Because they're amazing.
Oh, they are, man.
Yeah.
They are.
And I eat them for breakfast, so.
And I eat them too.
Yeah, probably eat them.
I can do like 24/7.
We'll make 3 right now.
All right. And this is new pan, right?
Well, yeah, new pan we got a few days ago, so.
Cool. All right. So what's ingredients?
So we got the pancake mix.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Water.
Sure.
And chocolate chips. Very easy. You just take an amount of it, some water, mix it on a bowl, and put in your chocolate chips, and then just put it on the pan, and it's basically just timekeeping.
Cool.
But very delicious.
Usually when I'm cooking, I'm not using any thermometers. I'm just doing by, you know, whatever it goes. Yeah. Nice. Good job, my man. Ooh, cool. Expert level.
Gang, gang.
Hey. Oh, kitty, kitty. Hey. Finn. Oh, cool, my man. I'll probably eat too.
Okay.
For tonight.
Yeah.
Thanks for the show, yo.
You're welcome. If you want to make pancakes, just watch this video. Oh, and also put butter on.
Oh, butter?
The pan.
Yeah,
Put
absolutely.
some butter on the pan
Okay.
before.
What kind of butter?
Just like stick butter.
Okay, cool. All right. See you guys. Have fun.
See you guys.